Okay, so this is 7 Plus TV with me, Nana K, on the best program. I mean, this is the maiden edition, but I'm saying best because what we are going to discuss on this very program from today to, I don't know if that is really going to happen, but to the end of this universe, is something that will really amaze and then really inspire you so far as our lives are concerned. And the program is Logos on 7 Plus TV. Yes, when we say Logos on 7 Plus TV, someone will ask, what is Logos on 7 Plus TV? The man himself is around. He will really talk to you, the viewers, about what Logos and the mission, which is Kipira mission, is all about. So wherever you are, just stay glued to your television set because we have a lot for you from now to, like I said, until the end of this world. I don't know if that is really going to happen, but so far as God created the universe for us to live in it, anything is possible. So stay tuned. The station is 7 Plus TV, and my name is Nana K. Let me go for a short commercial break. When I come, I go straight to the man because Sana Mekano won simply on the air. So with the Mami Kombra is here. Welcome back from that quick commercial break. Now, the man himself is here. He's my daddy. He's done really a lot for us, and then those who really know of him. Omo Martin in Kano, Omonim, Yakasi Tumia, Ekurano, Utimi Edi, Eye Ejuma. Say, me person come money, Niboni dim, but me, my main take is a pleasure, and I mean introduce Papa Kesimwa, Abodiru and Ankasa, Edene Ababedum Yang, in the person of Logos Yao and Kroma. On Nkroma in the spelling Nibia, where and Kroma Sonkoka, Logos Yao and Kroma, Onona, Oye, or kind before, and I say, Penia or that a Kipira mission, and no. Now, Obabe Chim, Yakasi Kipira mission. Now, what is Kipira mission? I know he's going to explain to us the aim, the vision of this very mission. A lot are looking up to now. Daddy, you welcome to 7 Plus TV and the program Logos on 7 Plus.
Thank you.
Okay, I think you can't Kipira mission. Yeni papi brina asumu na wakoye Penia Wodan once on our buy Kipira mission one and say what he was there, meaning she ever friend. Sorry, said Daniel. I can't say Kipira mission.
I say Kipira mission. Unyankopo Ankasa, Enna or the buy, and yet Logos and Croma the buy. Media near Somafwa, Unyankopo the mere Kipira mission. Na Otaya Kipira mission, Egina so any say. Nipa bay we are sen. A 1 year say, oh, na or the year Juma. A year, afam. He said, Nipa be a home. Honam de e atade na hye nipa keke na honhom na oyeno esese onya honim de na otimi de bobra na watimi anya ne esese ye soma na so mra wiase no watimi anya eno na esese na ni ho ukọ school bebre mu a obewie university onya nti onyankopon pese sansem na ayira na ni ho no fa Logos and Kroma so na Kipira mission so na edepre nipa enti no eye nkyerɛkyerɛ pa emudo adesua emudo a sɛ ye kan ke bɛka bibi sɛ mystical science ɛna gyina so mystical science no ɛyɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ a ɛma nipa hunu honhom a onyankopɔn de ma no nea obetimi di ayɛ tomi a wɔn mu ɛne nea edikanfo a wɔde mystical powers no bɛyɛ adwuma no atimi ayɛ bi sɛ bɛyɛ wɔn so bɛsua wɔtimi di ayɛ bi
yo openi em say ayeguso no na sana mekae no dwumadi bia no wudi a ye wo mission statement sana boni beka no Kipira mission me hwehwɛ enhuma nu na se ensem a waprogu enkrata so no emudo ye wo se to teach the syllabus of Jesus and the apostles because we can asoya also na so dey say e so ngo kakra
it does there say many party as any say ehia se obi ba kwasore ansa na ohunu se de say obobra e obi ase ha eni nti wo hwa obi o ha onko asore da nenso akọ university awie so ono so obobra ma na yeyi na Yesu bae no ni obaye no say ofa akuo bia na otete won se be ya wo behu ahuntasem saa ena ode ye adwuma na enne ya yen yesi yedi Yesu nkyerɛkyerɛ ne nanamo achi no ye won sɔre a yekɔ bi ye fra bi se Kristosom anka ye hwɛ se nkyerɛkyerɛ na Yesu de bae na no pɛpɛɛpɛ ena Kristosom no so be di akyira ye nanso enti saa obi betimi akwasɔre 10 years 20 years 30 years 40 years still na onim Nyankopɔn po na de ban nanso ye hwɛ a Yesu no obae no ɔne na suafo no omo nante mfe miensa ne fa 3.5 years nanso otimi kyerɛ wɔn a wɔn kɔ school da kora Peter sɛ no nkɔ school da Yesu kyerɛ na de ɛma otimi ɛkasa wɔn ade ne sankyɛ ne bebre ne sie Peter nyane obi a wɔgo a ɛfɛ no Dorcas Peter yi ɔnante a ne sunsum etimi tɔ yarefo so na wɔnya yaresa John mutimi kasa na ewie mu apai na ejefiri so a wɔn mu nyina Yesu na kyerɛ wɔn 3.5 years eti mimi bisa sɛ adɛnti na yɛn deɛ yɛ kɔnsɔre bebree mfie bebree yɛ wie universities yɛ asɔfo wie universities na so yɛn de yɛntimi yɛ saa nema no ɛno na Onyankopɔn hunu sɛ saa nkyerɛkyerɛ na Yesu de ba na nyɛ no na yɛ kyerɛ enti yɛ mission kepera mission asɛ de sɛ yɛbɛma nipa sua saa deɛ no within the shortest possible time sɛ Yesu abrɛ sɛ ɔde 3.5 years na yɛ a ɛnɛ yi no nimde abade ni kwan se nipa bekwa so 3.5 years ansa na otima ye de Peter ye ana de John ye ana de Yesu ye central
eno tina maybe say enne yen a yesi de be ati asol dem Yesu nyame Yesu yedu Yesu Kristo anamo achi no bohwa den na akoye ehintasem a safo ni ntimi hu ye ti a se na wo ka no honhoma wo ye mu wo setimi ye adwuma na ntimi ye adwuma
say ofa Bible 1 Corinthians 3:16 Rebecca Chiro say don't you know that your body is a temple of God and that the Spirit of God dwells within you Chiro say wonnim say onipa dwe ne Nyankopɔn trabea na Nyankopɔn honhom ti wo okay Bible bi 1 John 4:4 Rebecca Chiro say that which is within you is greater than that which is without you ne etiw no eso sen ne wo wiase na abode nyina nso Nyankopɔn ne boye nti abode nyina wo Nyankopɔn mu nti wiase ne mu no ne wo mu no hwan na so sen no Nyankopɔn ankasa ɛno ma yehu sɛ Nyankopɔn ankasa ne honhom na wo emu nti no ne etiw mu me yeso sen wiase okay 1 John 3:9 ɔse ne Nyankopɔn awo no onye bone efi sɛ Nyankopɔn aba wo ne mu he that is born of God does not sin for the seed of God is within him enti onipa biara wo Nyankopɔn aba wo mu a na ka nipa wo ye den enti se ye kire nipa mo te ase se oye honhom a Nyankopɔn aba no wo mu na watimi di Nyankopɔn su na opese nipa de adwuma na aba wo na bra bom adedi enti nyese nipa be ko school keke ye tete no ama wayi ni Nyankopɔn su na wo ne mu no apie enu nti na ma kipera mission aba
na o hwe mission statement so ye to disseminate information and I say among the nations the knowledge of definite scientific technique for attaining direct personal experience of God. Personal experience. We better say entina oronko sorry so for ebia so for na entina on nyame but in this one I say ye ni nyame na kasa benya kita ho eno kwamen so
mystical science no e kyerɛ sɛ wo ni Nyankopɔn our direct contact. If you say, so onipa ba home mframa, sabi o anya osofo bi na home ma no. Ono ankasa na home na de. So onipa ba twena, anya osofo bi na twene ma no. Onipa ba nyama bebre a, anya obi na yema no. Tumi na Nyankopɔn de man, ana ɔno nipa na de ye na dwuma. Enti sese e ma nipa hu no sɛ, ɔne Nyankopɔn wo direct contact. Na obetimi akasa ama Nyankopɔn ate na Onyankopɔn obetimi akasa ama ɔno so ate enti ye wo ɛho adesua pɔte obi be kasa course ase yetete nipa na wo behunu ye said the Dicanfon be brave by a Juman ye no. The Obia, but you may, as a same Nipa Bihusa. Your body be to say, Daniel. None of why you share the Daniel Bible one. Now she bet much to the permanent Nimudia, or non so Jata, a who know better from one for another four. You should be to say, Elijah, Niobaya, or your Nipa, you bet much to Nipa on swab head the Elijah. Yes, Nankasakra kind. Or say some witchy be dear, and no mamma ye, no, Mubeti ye. No, why in a Cassia, I Chinese, me used to be. Our John chapter 14, verse 12. Enti, and young mamma, you bet much Nipa. I mean, Nipa in Marcus.
Now, and it's my just to be so similar. Let's just say, and I'm saying Nipa or Yadishia, and then Quenimon, say, 10 pound year, as I said, Machine, I will throw over missing no more baby. Was it yes, what the infamous and a fun, and it's me said the share for Omungo's Kuda, Pursue the bit, and Omuyomujuma. Now, so, Southway, it's me and Saint Tirania. Let's just say, what you want to say, Tiasero, Aquabio. Now, so a member, Yaku University, Yabu degrees in doctorates, and she tear Yakura. It's me and young one dear. Just a Okota paracetamol. Until paracetamol, you young couple. And within a mass, I say, a 10 pound a disadi, a memory for I see technology ground 20 and can name what to me. A 10 pound that we shall acquire near TNSA. Young fun say you were Ghana, and I perceive you to go and baby. Be a cop Britain. One in Britain, plane at Overcop. And I was walk off a beer Indian plane. It definitely plane the bit too, now so Empon could do Britain. Baby, I walk off on a plane at Overcop. And to say you are the same, and many people whom I want to ni obeti me dia ye ne onyankopon dia ma no ene ne ontimi nya na se ya mani pa nsua saa de no no wamfa nya adwuma ne ya kire no no be den ese bro focus say you can't give what you don't have ne ya kire nipa no oyina de nti ye fam so a ye ne say nkire ye de ma nipa adesua ye sua we school ye kom a frame of problem ko university levels no e ma nipa ntimi ma ye ne onyankopon be so ye no on say ya obi awie university. Or when Yankupon spirit maybe would move. Yankupon, the seed of God, the spirit of God is in the person. Now, so, or Onim how to create a job for himself. Yankupon spirit to make such a living in dreams. That you assume it may find so. And can anybody nima can when your answers now, so only spiritual experience. Whom him dear a couple of 10 young Wakago. Now, so only whom Tiasie. That spiritual knowledge and spiritual understanding, Bible say, Hosea 4:6, or say, for the lack of knowledge, my people perish. And you perish in Keke. And yet the lack of spiritual knowledge, second, you would university, but we quit a professor's degree. Now, so, near done so Yaria Tono Crano. I feel no couple be a bit me as an area. And to West India could do professor's level now. At least, as I said, what means spiritual power, spiritual understanding? Jariana Babakura was so decaying. Now, what can say with me? Any misfortune, I be a person for a problem. Higher education, our family, as a senka winners are at your fingertips. Now, when I end it, into Nipa Nama, you want to move us so Nipa. We are playing below the belt, yet we can give more out of our lives. And say, to me, upon their mind. A dear for it, and I shall for a shame. As I say, my own test, I say, Nimudio was a say, and then you went to my piano. And you get ticket. Say, Yakopoy Wadom, now your church on Sunday May, the Paramission, and the Mexican Science, the men Nipa, near my Nipa to my yano. What do you want to test and open Nipa Provision? I may come any party as I say, you Nipa to me, and Kawum or Badam for be our Bodama, a mad person. Kawa Sino. Now, what's Sunny Yare? I'm not near Nipa. Until we have a long way to go. As I see, near entry, baby, I say, powers and Yakupon them and Nipa, and then you bet to my head, and I see, as I say, compulsory in our schools, in our churches, in all institutions, Nipa de Mani Biano, as I by force, so Nipa spiritual science, the mystical science, about my winning Yakupon, difference, and I say, down Temno.
Oh, nipa ba wiase a esese wo sua nimde fa Nyankopɔn ho nipa nkasa ho ɛna bɔde a wo mu no ho afei nsusan so bɛn ɛna da wo miɛnsa ne ntam me kana brofo ma meka bi te say you must know and understand the mystery of God. You must know and understand the mystery of man or life. You must know and understand the mystery of the universe, and then the mutual relationship between these three. Usua ade enyanti asefa Nyankopɔn ho a na wasua ade enyanti asefa nipa ho na wasua ade enyanti asefa abode omu no ho afemiensa no de na da wontam na watimi hu ne se obeye. You can't be a discoverer, an inventor, or you can't create without this knowledge. And written a man no obi a university to be creative she on to be creative. He said the spiritual science na say osua na ne honhom a wonu kasa kire no a obeti ase Onyankopɔn kasa kire no obeti ase nya no osua enti yem blame obia. The blame is this say yensua ne eye yankase honhom a Nyankopɔn de amaye no yensua ho ade na wonam na okuta such a power of God within you, spirit of God within you. Now when ne ho nimdia it is so be a highest computer in this world. No one know how to control it. Ekuta okwa. Nanso nipa nye keke. Nipa ebro computer so. Man is more than a divine machine or a divine computer. And to say a man nipa who how to control his own computer, which is the divine nature he is. Oh, your Bible one. Okay, Matthew chapter 16 verse 19. Yes, we can send Peter say, Peter, make the throne assassin for the mom. I'll give you the keys of heaven and earth, and whatever you bind on earth will be bound in heaven. And whatever you untie or you unbind in earth will also be in the heaven. Now say you will do me to say me be come was so no nka e koso and I say e will heaven. Now say you was say to me em fa nya djuma na ye mfa so pa na say e will wiase. University in the obeko degrees in the obenya say o deviate the very power of God which you are. Now went to me and portray said to me there. Na wiase abai no fa so be anu so. Aye no crisis say ka. So when you all positions in this world, oh Bible can. So when you wiase japade nya na so hwere wo kra. Take us any in fa so be na obenya. As a chira ne say nipa nya nimde wo wiase nyinara. Na we nya ne kra power na Nyankopon de man we nya hu nimde amfa mo bra. Wiase obai no mfa so ni so afeli Nyankopon. Nti say e na me say ye compulsory course. Say nipa be share this mystical science ye chire no. Na say Yesu de mfia me ensa ne fa ne chire ya. Logos ya nkroma Onyankopon me timi say me chire less than 3.5 years. Onipa bi obedi mechi. No no so timi nya nema kese akese a Onyankopon say ye gidi. Ade bi koso aya na eye sele kakra. Ya wa sorry for ne asofo bebrea. Yesu say o me ya benfo enimdefo Onyankopon. O mo timi kada nipa bebre yesi ekututu hommone afi omumu. Logos ya nkroma say mystical science onipa betimi ama nimde akoni nua so awonimu no de ma nipa anasa o kyerɛkyerɛ ma na behunu anka Nyankopɔn tumi no ebetedi onipa bi emu eti de meka kyerɛ nua ma sɔfo mu hwɛ me ne sɛ omu wo tumi e de tutu ahomone onipa mu a saa mmere na omu de tutu ahomone no ehu nhia saa mmere no omu fan impart the power of God woman Emma one congregation. Na se Nyankopɔn no kɔhyɛ wo mu a wo mo bɛyɛ mma wo Nyankopɔn mu ti honhom bɔne biara entimi nkɔtena saa nipa no.
We always should be because it's a very important point.
Serious.
Also time for deliverance.
Me say anointing na kepera mission aba. Ye ne say ye ni adagye say ye kotutu honhom bɔne ama nipa. Efi say ma nipa no nimdeɛ a kyerɛ sɛ ɔwɔ Nyankopɔn na ne tumi ni bi wɔ ne mu. Na sa honhom na woni mu na Nyankopɔn de ma no enhye se eda me ho adi honhom bane no se woni mu susu ampara ono kasa bedwane me ma atwe so obi si ne dan na se won tra dan ni mu a owotimi ko tra dan ni mu abobo ni bietimi ko tra dan ni mu sebe obodam fo betimi ko tra dan ni mu na mo mfie wura ni nyaba dan ni mu a obo bedwane aponkyere ni bedwane bodam fo bedwane enti de me pese ye kyere ne se esese nipa honhom Nyankopɔn de ma no na osua ho ade no hye se de bɔ ne bra se kobasa honhom foforo biara emfiri Nyankopɔn entimi mfa nadamfo ne na kɔta eye serious enti asofo na wo mo hwɛ yɛn no ye ma won ate sɛ wo mo asade ni sɛ Nyankopɔn ma na wabedi won akyi no wo mo ma Nyankopɔn tumi no wo asɔre mani mu no epagya wo kwan bia so sɛ yɛ nimdeɛ kwan so abɛkyerɛkyerɛ wɔn anase tumi no omunti wotu egu won so mo nya bi na mom enkwese boni omunti mututu na fa wetutu na obi tiri kopo na paia wa manyankopon mo na woni ba men sori eno ne won tuma that is their business na me eno na me ba be se mema nipa honhom manyankopon de man no apagya na aye adwuma na ma won.
Wow. Now also to liberate man from his threefold suffering, that is physical disease, mental harmonies, and spiritual ignorance. A honor person say a honor mystical scientist, and I say homeopathy ebemunana a honor sinafi yambra because we say mystical scientist no on its own.
Onipa biara no yewo kwatrekwa na kwatrekwa na obaya no onyankopon tumi ni nyinara awu mu. Man is born naked, but within the nakedness lie all the powers, the fullness of God which is within him. And to onipa wo tumi say yare boni biara hano anani nua ne honipa biara no ebeba ne so no otumi yi sa yare ne firi ho na yenimdi a obenya ananse se da make no obi a ebi wonu mo de bema ho ananse adwen mu no etese yetete wo ma hu se honhom no wo soro wo ye high if you say intellectual bebre won soro mu a e ma nipa ekofom bible ba bi be ka kire o say nya ye ne honam ni moja ana edi esie ye ne wiemu atumfo na ono condemn no so nipa na de oye honam ni moja but so many people know say oye honhom afi nyankopon se nipa te ase so ohunu say oye honhom afi nyankopon a honhom foforo bi re afi nyankopon amen no ohini ebro obi aso okromu a na se ohini soma se onko yi bibia ho na betima so be tie ohini eti manipa no nyankopon tumi na owo no enti adwen mu hunamu ane honhom no ese se manipa nya tumi the power of God within him aye wo dia na se woni we num dia wo ye ohini kro ba ye ho te se akwada mi atiti house eti ni kwan se manipa ebra wa brabom ye kire nipa e ma na hu ne wote ni obetimi aye efri nyankopon ho ma woni munti eno ni betimi nya inventors discoveries when him said this time will be to be discovered adentra if you said the spiritual science the mystical science na man and you can find your inventors and discoveries no and they are universities they are our ordinary schools so say you bet the mystical science no you nya any new invention but the highest skies cannot be even the limit. The skies cannot be the limit for human discoveries and inventions. Never. Onyankopon bi kwa me nipa se onya ne mo no nyankopon man kwa so onya ni bi na yen na ye sua sa ne ma no si ye sua sa ne ma na nipa ho beto no babrabo
yo and you know I'm say the shed the intellectual mission also to reveal that the kingdom of God is without limitation or boundary and all the truth that has been given to the world in the past thousands of years and is but a
temple yes
a comparison with what there is yet to be discovered in the mystical science school.
Yes. Say ye sha ade di pa ye prepare nipa ba wi ase be sin ne. Ye sha be sin na. Ne nipa timi discover, nipa timi invent ni ene ne potential nipa betimi aya. Eye kete. Honhom adesua no me ka na say mystical science. Say ye de to ho a na che say ye ka say nipa ni obetima ye 100% kra nipa ntimi ni 10% emaye free bread nipa ba wiase ye wo kwan kase etu say betime nya nimdie ama nipa na ma watene ho say oye nipa na wo ye nipa wo nya mmobo wo ye nipa yare ntimi wo ye nipa owo kra ntimi wo na ye nim ente san ko bi wo go betimi nya ne no say di obi wu no betimi nya ne no nya na nkotete nyina ena nyina so wo eno kire say nyankopon ma nipa tumi say obetimi abro owo so na ho adesua ne ho ade kire wo ho enya de foforo ayade a wabode mu ha ti say makwan say yensua ye betimi sua ade na nipa ahwa wontimi nya. We can go the highest skies cannot be limited to the powers of man. Kaka say nipa ya de bia ni mudo man is the highest mystery na nenti ase pa de enya easy say onipa betima te nipa ya ase. You cannot understand man because you cannot understand God. Na say won tin yankopon so be na what nipa say. Me pese me kire say nipa edo kwachiri honhom ene adwemu nyinara nti sese ye ma nipa hunu se owo bibi papa obetimi aye hwe okọ bible no mbu a Daniel hwe Moses nko a hwe de ma ne man Yesu nko a hwe de ma ne man ba kofo Elijah timi shankom ba kope na eye adwuma ohene kura suo no so be a mystica nimo timi ye no mutimi ma ewiase nyinara one statement na solve problem ama one statement we solve wiase problem and change biara and am kasa wo Facebook say offer the Lord's prayer used to be wiase na say the yesi a kire wo Bible no say the yesi kan no e de no me ebre nipa bebre me kan sam no 30th November 2017 a week later which is 8th of December 2017 and BBC News at the by say Pope Francis say the Lord's prayer na e wo Bible no say the music can no enya no kre na anya me nwanwa if he say Jesus and his humanity asamba ko betimi aka the whole world afa na solve a whole world problem now if we are saying ready because a lot of information like this and am dey bra won mysteries asumasam akuntasam ase dipenya na bra boko yie na ke pera mission ye dey bra wiase nti obi biara o hwa ye no se onyankopon ka no koma se ne ye ka no kware bo mu mana on se so ko hwe kira kan na onye ready onyankopon so pese e bra so ye dey bra no mystical scientists said yen epese ye kire nipa no eye obi a ode na nkasa ne honhom a onyankopon de ama no etim bi ye bibi enya results on say we are saying here asore foforo ye here a song for say we don't need a new church or a new religion but ye pe won betimi solve problems am nipa we are looking for problem solvers enti Mexican science dey say e training ma wan kasa wo de anyankopon de ma your God given powers anyankopon de ma no e dey solve problem ma wo bunuanom ene oman ene wiase nyina nti now is the time say ye be sua sa nyama no
enti papa say yeguso ayembre ne kona mpese mebisa wo say say obi pese ohun sa nyama nyina ekwamen so was then I was so ye we tira kon wan minim say wo special place bia wo sheda hia nkrofo ye sa dwumade ya papa chichim ne nko
oh me da say baby a me office ankasa eye ewo odoko e frem ebi K Banfu Business Center e abrosan fefe na ene anointed electricals omoton generators akese e na hwe nim udi odoko main traffic light no na kokọ kaso na malam kwane so a ene akiri kura na hona me office no K Banfu Business Center first floor uba ho a adesua ti se no ubinya
enti bebesa bibisa se o said that what is you say school what tira manfo de ananse kwahia da wo ya asore mankofo enya saa ni dewe
ni atene say Sunday bia na wia 2 o'clock our general lectures eno de ma obia na eno free ho a bia na obi wo problem bi say ye yare asem kese bi da no so dadwe bi ontiase emfa ho ne ba bia wo de akọ say enonu a ye nimi say be doctor for nrei ana yaresafo enimo we antini anya ho hwe a last stop ayo nyankopon so nyankopon antini anya ma wa eno de na ho ne be ya ma na ye nim ye gidi say ye do nyankopon tumi kan so na ye adwuma eti wo ba metimi ahwe wanim keke metimi ahwe won sam keke atimi ehunu de hawo na maka kiro eno nti tumi nyankopon de ma me no say insuo na me pam de bagu so say je na konom yare no ebeko ade biara me pese je na fa kono enam say me de tumi ahyem nti no ebe ye adwuma enye tumi bia wo kwaji free baby a enyankopon tumi ode ama wo eti etimi sa yare akese emfa me ho no yare hawo obi de fibroid mai moja 6 years 7 years over oba 3 days moja no betwa here say we operation bia say ye wanufu say ye fibroid nankasa moja ne tu wo we obarema yare be stroke obi a wabodam insuo na me de be ma wo na ma bompa ye guso say je na konom o ho beto ofi say wo kuta nyankopon tumi bi secret no wo ku nyankopon tumi na wo no e na me de ye adwuma ene me so nyankopon tumi a wo me mu no afai abode nyankopon abo ti say asase ye gina so emframa ye home awia insuo wo mu nyakuta nyankopon tumi ni bi enti ye ne won kasa mo samoa we nti wo de eje wonom nsuo na no enye nsuo bi a efiri baabi dabi enfiri dabi wopa wankasa du nsuo ba kra metimi de ayadwuma ni bia mo ema wonyiwa won se ebra so se ma nipa se nyankopon ma ne yen nti nyankopon tumi no ye betimi de amawade ne senche ne kese bebre yesu sei sa wogi ni dia enema oyeye no wo betimi ye bi no ye ne me chensa nti mo bi antra ho na onha no ho onyamobɔ we wa boafo na mo obi nim ampanifo se den obi kire
and it message na wakoso a kire ayare ben bi sa na wotimi ya sisi ano yare no kwanse da ne besa wo sisi so esan se obi wo fie ne house pa baba no kwanya me ne house yare bi ha no kire mu yare no mu de wen is it just a physical sickness and other diseases and spiritual mu de na wotimi sa
nipa ye honhom said onyankopon so ye honhom ti sa one nipa di ni de so hwe ne honamani keke ne honamani na ode ye adwuma wotimi nyimo nipa no ti yen ne ye hwe ne honhom mu fi so no nipa no ye honhom eti asem bia beto nipa bia so e ma keke wo be hu se ye honamani e bia honamani yare nanso di ti ne ye honhom asem ti no so ne ye gina ene ye de ye adwuma enti honhom asem bia ra to so honhom obi se ya ton se ya ye wo den se nka wonim nyankopon honhom wo mu na ko bi ntimi nye wo hwe se de na bi di kai no bayiye bi ntimi ha ofi se nyankopon honhom na wo mu na wonim dia ande ya obayiye no e be ha ofi se wo nyankopon tumi no wo mfa nya adwuma nti me obi ba na be gina so stroke oba onyankopon adumti edambo onyankopon adumti yare be na etete wo sa awo emfa ho ne ba bi ode akodu yare ache broni be kan se chronic yare obroni ntimi nhwe no na wato di se kwan yenye ode ba yetwi kasa se yare kwanko chronic disease eche se ye kwa enko na onyankopon de yare biara onima no efi se obete haban yo obede den de asayare a ono nyankopon no na nimdie ni fi de ye sa de nti yen de yenyi yare bi amfim se wo de yare na chia bre wo ka ko si se na nkoma wa bra na menchiro se wankasa onyankopon ho de ma no se esore a ebe yare na fi so yes obi de sika asam nyankopon ho de ma wo no unim se enimi etimi edidi a ede na nyankopon timi nye wo pese wo nya sika bi se nyankopon sa na bible ka o se to sika firi me ho na memo nya sika gold a yatwi ebde fa ejam hega so be ka kire o se sika ne kete ye media na se nyankopon mana ne ho ho emu a ade ti na be ye mbobo a ye be ye hiafo o pe sika pa bi se nyankopon obi se o pe sika no ko gisika duro ni ba ko de no de ye so ade abo bi no de ma so ade bibi na ye nyankopon na ye sa de na onipa no ko fa ye o de be ye duro na ma o etimi metu fo se ko nyankopon ko gisika yes na nyankopon de nkwa a wontimi nto ma wo sika no otimi fa no God has given you a priceless commodity, which is your heart and your life, which is the air you breathe. And no what to be the amount. Nesika and not in Famo. Obi Obeko are sorry, no baby here, Diano. Oh, yeah, my boy says, I wouldn't even go for Murana. I saw the judgment. Oh, yes.
Papa, I say, and so no, the Banamo, me, my own canning, as I say, Yavasa Atwaso. Now, and you know, some folk which are pano, a tuja, now say, oh, any phone number, you saw, be frawa. And so a best account director, and now and also for to do enough. Yet twice you
made us office no Cape Town Business Center or Doko main station or traffic light no say Oko Malamanaka so road no so near Chikra Ubehu anointed house and anointed electricals motor generators I can say white o cross kind of the opposite and Shanimuno I want to be Cape Town Business Center then first floor no Hona Oba a free shoulder ekosi memeda beba binyan na mum Sunday oba ye be show na Sunday no de ye lectures 2 o'clock awia ekosi enyumiri 5 ye tete nipa ema nipa hunu ne se oye
yo anitino
numbers o person contact here numbers obetim dey adwumani o pay me directly a fresh number 02 43 61 8867 02 43 61 8867. For bet me a friend 0574 377 622 0574 377 622. Another number is 0571 0571. Another 71 8867. 0571. Another 71 8867. And name ring so there. O person need in common with WhatsApp line. And no yeah 0552 881398. WhatsApp number 0552 881398. Open in WhatsApp website and so on. Facebook Kipera Mission Direct. Kipera Mission Direct. Hawaii.
So, yes, say, say, Papa Lagos Yaw and Chroma and Yina Yashana, what's me and PB, Nema Piso, I say, now, say, wait there, there is more to come.